I'm Claire Thomson, I'm a chef and a food writer, and I'm here at Everhot cooking some of my favourite family recipes. So today I thought I'd do a beetroot and chocolate cake. Beetroot, you can't even tell it's in there, and promise, as you can see by the splatters on this cookbook of mine, this is my kids' favourite chocolate cake. So we've got some pre-cooked beetroot, just a vac-packed sort that you can buy from the greengrocers or a supermarket. You're just going to pop that in a jug. Then you're going to make that go to 0, and you're going to put 200 grams of neutral oil, so sunflower or veg, into there. And then we're going to pop 3 eggs in there too. 1, 2, 3. Right, this is where the magic starts. You're just going to blend this. Use a food processor or a blender or a handheld, whatever you have to hand. Looking good. Okay, into a bowl. We've got 250 grams of, I've used golden caster sugar, but just use regular white if you like. We've got some almonds. And we've got some rice flour. So this is actually a gluten-free cake, but it's just delicious. And then we're going to add some cocoa. So we're going to add 75 grams of cocoa. And to give it a bit of hike, we're going to add a teaspoon of bicarb. Then I find with many cakes, it's nice to add a good pinch of salt. It just helps with the sweetness, really. Pinch of salt. In goes the cocoa and the bicarb and a pinch of salt. Just a little mix. Right, so we've got our blended oil, eggs and beetroot, and then we've got our dry ingredients. I'm just going to quickly line the cake tin quickly. A great hack to line a cake tin. You need a square of greaseproof. And then you're going to cut, fold, 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 fold. Get your cake tin, put the point in the middle, and snip off the edges. And you'll have a perfect round to line your cake tin with. Right, the magic bit. This just gets into here, so we're going wet ingredients into dry ingredients. This is a bomb-proof cake. You can't mess it up. Many birthday parties have depended on this chocolate and beetroot cake. Into the cake tin we go. Right, I'm going to cook this in a baking oven for about 35 minutes until a skewer comes clean. I'm just going to have a quick peek on the cake in the oven. And, you know, opening this door, you're not going to lose a lot of heat really. So, oh my word. Looking good. Still got another about 15 minutes to go. So this has had 40 minutes in the oven. And I think we're there. We'll just give it a quick check with a skewer. It's coming out nice and clean. Perfect. We've given our cake a good long rest, at least 10 minutes in the tin. I'm going to pop it out of its tin. It's looking good. This is the most magnificent chocolate cake. And I don't think you can even tell it's got beetroot in it. Nice big slice. Look at that. So it's the tail end of summer here, so I've got some raspberries and some creme fraiche, but you could do this with baked plums or blackberries, whatever you fancy, or just by itself. Nice blob of cream, creme fraiche, up to you, and a few raspberries, just to make it look lovely. Right, that is chocolate and beetroot cake with raspberries and creme fraiche.